Hi, this is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad. I found this article in the icpa.org website. The title is Upper Cervical Adjustments May Improve Mental Function. This report describes abrupt improvement in mental and motor deficits in a 14-year-old girl after the initiation of specific upper cervical chiropractic care. The abstract is in the link below the video. You can call me with questions at 402-210-8490. You may think it is a miracle to have such improvement with adjustments. Nerve imbalances were certainly a component with her symptoms, as removing the imbalances allowed her to improve. In fact, parents of children who have been helped with a variety of issues in the office say it is miraculous. What is truly miraculous is the healing capability of the body if given the chance. Most subluxation or nerve imbalance are subtle compared to this case. You may not realize your system is compromised. Only chiropractors are trained to diagnose and correct these issues. I have specialized equipment that can detect subluxation and monitor how the nerve system is improving. Don't allow your health or your kids' health to be determined by chance or luck. Get evaluated today and see if you have nerve imbalances. People love what chiropractic care has done to improve their health, and you will too. If you're seeing this video on Facebook, like my page and share. On YouTube, subscribe to my channel. On Google+, add me to your circle. On my website, I have a form to fill out where you can get health tips to your inbox. This is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad.